Hello, and welcome back to Cool Evolution Facts. This is video 11. Metamorphosis is just puberty for bugs. Perhaps you've heard the statement made that evolution can't explain metamorphosis, as we see in butterflies, flies, and some other insects, when they change from worms into typically flying insects. It does seem amazing, doesn't it, that a worm can actually turn into a butterfly? Have you ever wondered how that happens? Well, all complex species have genetic traits that are only adaptive or beneficial under certain circumstances, or during particular portions of the life cycle. Sometimes those traits are not only not useful under different circumstances, but can actually be maladaptive or harmful. When this is the case, you'll often find that expression of the genes that code for those traits is switched on or off depending on environmental or chemical signals within the organism's body. To understand this, think of human puberty. It would be entirely possible for humans to be born sexually mature. Many species are born that way, but it would be highly maladaptive for, say, infant girls to have menstrual periods, or for toddlers to become sexually active as soon as they're mobile. So natural selection has switched off certain genes that make humans capable of sexual reproduction, only switching them on several years after birth, when humans are somewhat more developed physically and mentally, so that sex, pregnancy to full term, and caring for a child is at least minimally possible. In the case of insects like butterflies, more recently evolved genes that give them an adult butterfly's morphology are initially turned off, and more ancient genes that code for a worm-like body are expressed. This means that the larval butterfly is better able to hide from predators and spend its time feeding and getting stronger in preparation for life in its adult stage. The time it spends in the cocoon is essentially just puberty. Chemical signals turn on genes coding for the classical butterfly appearance that comes with sexual maturity. An interesting note: insects are not the only organisms with more ancient and more recently evolved genes that control morphology at different stages in the life cycle. Even humans show different stages in our ancestry as we develop in the womb. During our early lives as embryos, we even develop tails and very initial stages of fish gills. Amazing, isn't it? Well, I want to thank you for watching this episode of Cool Evolution Facts. I hope you'll like it and subscribe, comment, and come back and watch more videos. Until next time.